Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project Car Accessories portal. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a BootStrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID. So this technology stack we have used for development. This is a responsive theme. If you click on the inspect, if you click on that, then you can see. This is a mobile version of website. So this is a all of the mobile version. You can see. Okay. Now let's start the functionality of the project. Our project title is Car Accessories Portal. We have developed this project with two different types of interface. That is the front end face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different, but both are responsive and we are using Bootstrap latest version. This is a major project, and from this project, a student can learn a lot of things. Mean how can create the database, how can manage the database, PHP with CRUD application, create, update, and delete. Many of things you can learn, lots of things. Let's start the features that we have developed inside the project. So this is a home page. You can see this is a category listing. This is a totally dynamic. If you click on breaks, you can see breaks related products is visible. So now this is a this is a header bar. Search anything here, it will also search like search breaks. Anything you can search from here. So this is a home page. If you click on that, so a slider here, you can see. Now we added three images for sliding. If you click on the so now you will see slider will be changed. This is a totally mobile responsive home page of the project. If you click any products which I have added in the database like this, if you click on automatic horns, you can see all the details about the automatic horns. This is coming from the database. You can see all the products, and sometimes it will slide. You can see it's sliding. So we have added the slider here. We tried to make this project more functional, more operational. We have used a lot of plugins. We have used a lot of plugins to develop this project. So this is a home page. Now this is a about us page. It's a static page. This is a products page, and this is a dynamic page, and all of the products are coming from the database. If you click on view button, you can see all the details about the products. Now same for categories. This is all of the categories. We have added 8 categories. This is a dynamic. You can add number of categories from the database or from the admin panel. We have a separate admin panel for that. If you click on categories like the lights, you can see lights related product is visible. This is coming from the database. Now This is a user registration page. User can register here. This is a login page. Here user can easily log in, and this is a contact us page. This is a static contact us page. This is a nothing dynamic, but this is a real map. A small map I have integrated here. Now let's go. If I buy some products, so now click on the products and I want to buy highlights. Click on the view details. You can add number of items and add to cart. Oh, there is a restrictions. Without login, you can't buy the products. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any products related to car accessories. You can't buy any product. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now log into account. This is a user dashboard. First, we want to buy highlights. We can add a number of items, 2, 3, and click on the add to cart. You can see you can see 3 items and the total amounts get calculating automatically, and the total amount, that much amount, 660 rupees you need to pay. After that, you can click on proceed to checkout button. After that, you will be able to see payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real payment. You can enter anything in the card number like 123456. It's only dummy page like Mastercard 12, and this is, click on the make payment button. Now you can see your payment has been done, and this is order summary. You can see your orders from the my order page. You can click on the dashboard. You can see a very great dashboard for the user. Okay, this is a order. If you want to see the details of any order, like your orders, you can click on the eye icon. Like, yeah, you can see the order summary. So again, coming on the dashboard, you can see all of the order details, and then this is a important links. You can see either you can go on the page from this, or either on clicking on this page. Now click on the all products. Okay, so now this is a my account page. You can update here your account details, and the this is a change password page. Here you can easily update password. So this is all about the front end page. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driving. You can see this administration option is showing, logout option is also showing, and the dashboard option is also showing. After logout, you can see menu has been changed like this. So because of the session driven. Customer has login, so the system is checking who is logging, and accordingly that upper menu has been displayed. So this is all about the front end panel. What we have developed inside the project now comes on the admin panel. This is a admin panel login. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So the admin user is admin admin@gmail.com and password is test. Oh, this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, like a total delivered orders, total confirm orders in transit, total products, total customers. You can see everything from here. So this is the dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize it from here. You can refresh the page, it will comes again like this. You can quick menu is minimize, and the after that click quick menu has been visible. You can This is the quick menu from the you can go. If you want to um, hide quick menu, you can click here, and this is the view of the page after hiding the menu. But if you don't want to hide, so this is the main options. So this is all products. You can click on the product management. Here admin can add new products. Admin can easily add the new products, and from this page you can add new product, update, delete. You can see this is all of the products. You can see this is the view of page. There is a pagination. You can see there is a basic pagination here. This is the edit format of the product. Then you can edit, and this is the product management. And now this is a product report. If you click on the product report, you can see the page of product report. You can export this whole data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can, if you don't want to see like a column visibility, if you don't want to see the image, if you click on image, you can see image is not coming here. If you click on the image, it also coming here. Same for the category. Here admin can add the new category, and the all the category listing is here. This is the category report page. Here you can also convert the data as a CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF, and same for the column visibility. This is a order management page. Here you can see all the orders which has been delivered, which has been confirmed, and which is in transit. You can see. If you will be able to see all of the, you can see there is a pagination. It's working perfectly. Click on the view. You can see the order summary. Click on the icon. If you want to this order will be cancelled, you can easily click on the cancel and update. You can see this order has been cancelled. This is a customer management page. Here user can here admin can add new customers from this page, and this is a customer report page. Here you can see all user or customer reports, and this is a change password page. Here admin can easily change the password, and this is the logout option. Admin can easily log out from here. So this is all features we have developed inside this project. If you want any type of enhancement, any type of new features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.